What's up, guys? Welcome to part 3 on this 2RZ four-wheel drive swap. Today we're going to be going over how we mounted the cross member and all the steps to do it. So, see you in the video.
How's it feel to be a movie star?
Feels good.
Gonna mark those holes. We decided to make a plate from here all the way to the end, underneath the frame. And then set this thing on the plasma table, make this oval bigger. Just run nut and bolt here and nut and bolt there. Some triangle gussets. Yeah, it's always fun finding new things to do and new ways to attack this. Quarter-inch plate going on. Yup, got these all fitted, cut out with the plasma. Trying to get these lines a little better, but still learning how to use this thing. So, it's a work in progress. But yeah, not bad. The quarter-inch plate, put some gussets up there. Check this out. So this bottom section is quarter plate, and we ended up just not using the old holes. These are long enough to where we just ended up just drilling a hole all the way on the other side and just use a mag drill through this part, and then just plasma cut it out this, and then this is 3/16. Made some nice triangle gussets with the plasma table. Yeah. Super stoked on the way this is coming out. This is definitely stronger than any factory mount you're gonna see. The factory mounts are like literally an eighth thick and they have gussets, but this one is quarter and it goes all the way through. Here's the other side. And yeah, just super happy on the way the plasma table is performing. I'm not running into too many problems, just had a couple issues with some measurements and the way they come out, but yeah, I mean, I'm learning more and more about this machine, and it is definitely getting really fun to use. Super excited and stoked.